Hey everyone, this is Jeremy from Cherry Auto Detailing. In today's video, we're working on a 2016 Dodge Charger, applying a blue carbon fiber vinyl wrap to enhance the hood, roof, and trunk area. The goal is to increase the vehicle's overall appearance while adding a unique sporty look and protecting the paint underneath. If you're simply looking to give your car a new style or trying a color change wrap, it's easy to just contact us. Check the description down below for our website and social media links. Now sit back and enjoy this short behind the scenes look at our vinyl wrapping process here at Cherry Auto Detailing located in Guam.